Yes, sir. What do you do, everybody?
So, bro,
Mm,
We do.
I think my
Everybody.
wife just got home. Hey, y'all go ahead and
Say hi to the
do the
people.
introduction real quick. I need to go check something real quick. I'll
Yeah,
be
go
right
ahead.
back.
Good evening, everybody. How we doing? How you feeling? What's going on, everybody? Welcome in
yeah, what it
to
do? Welcome.
late night leverage. Yeah, boys here. Quadree, Say the Maverick, and myself dress. You know, talking about a little bit about the markets and have some fun with it. So
Hell
we
yeah.
do. Yes, sir. How was your day, bro?
That was a good day, man. Finished green, both count all my counts. Um, can't complain, man. Caught the shorts. You already know.
Beautiful, babe. Beautiful day. Yeah, yeah.
Man,
Same.
you killed it.
Yeah, same day, bro. I started slow. Like in the morning, I didn't see my setup that I usually take for my cash flow. And I had to wait to market decided to give me a setup to eventually go lower.
Yep.
So I was
Oh,
able to I didn't take it all the way though, which I was a little sad, but it's okay. Yeah, I did some damage.
Bet.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
all right, man. All right, I'm back, man. I trying to get my girls to quiet down. Shit, that shit got me all messed up.
Yeah.
All right, what's good, everybody, man? Welcome to Late Night Leverage, man. My wife she running late, so that shit got me all fucked up. I'm like trying to get them right and shit. But
Yeah.
anyway, yeah. What's good, everybody? Welcome to Late Night Leverage. I'm one of your co-hosts, Zay. Of course, I think you already heard from Dre and Quadree. They was talking about a little bit. So yeah, man. What a market. We got a retest Wednesday. I know Dre was
Yeah.
very happy. As y'all know
Yes,
from
sir.
yesterday's as y'all know from yesterday's episode, Dre is a little bit on the bear side. So,
Yeah.
today, well, let me just say this. Let me not say bear side. He's on the seller side.
So sorry,
Yeah.
yo.
I like that.
He's on the
Yeah.
seller side. He's on the
Hmm.
seller side. He thinks the market needs to sell down, so he's looking for sales. And today we
Yeah.
got a nice little sale. Shout out to wasn't it a Trump tweet that came? Was it today or yesterday? No, it was today, right?
Today.
It's
Both day, but today
Yeah.
was that more damage. Yeah.
There was more damage.
Yeah. Hmm. Yeah.
You
Today
say
was
what?
nasty. He tweeted yesterday, market reacted. He tweeted today, market reacted
Bro, I don't
hard.
know if it's
You hear me?
I hear you, bro.
Yeah.
my internet keep chopping up. I don't know if
Oh,
it's
Oh,
me or
yeah, quite.
but no, what you were saying?
I said that he tweeted today and yesterday, both days. Yeah. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Hey, on another note, hey Carl, I think you got some Discord bots, bro.
Hmm.
I think one of your
Confirm.
Discord spammer. I think one of your Discord spammer bots
yeah.
messaged me,
Oh shit.
and
Damn,
I
Carl
know it was.
popping.
I know it's a scammer bot because like how they message me. I'm like, he don't even talk like that.
Where?
Like,
Yeah.
he don't even talk like that.
Oh shit.
I think she finally home. Okay, so yeah, man.
What's cool with the people?
Yeah, what's good, man? What we doing? What's the mood tonight, Dre? You've been on it early, so I'll let you go ahead and talk about what you've been on because you trading gold a lot. Larry is
Yeah,
in
I
the building.
just
What's good, Larry?
what's good, Larry? What's good? Strat King. El Diano, what up, Privity? ¿Qué es lo que, manito? Yeah. And Maurice.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I actually took a short on gold. Just a market open. Not market open. I'm 1800 open. I took
Mm-hmm.
the short.
Mm-hmm.
Already 3P on this low. This was my target. and I got a runner on my big account still running to see what we do if we do some crazy
What's
stuff,
your target for the runner?
bro. Like
You
all
said
night,
what?
baby, all night. I'm gonna let it run all night. Let's see.
Oh,
I'm
so you
locking
ain't
into
even. Go ahead.
yeah.
What you say?
Whatever you do, I'm already like in profit 2K. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
gonna let it run, bro. If it stop me in profit, stop me. If it goes, it goes. Like I'm gonna take advantage of this volatility. Don't go. And I
Yeah,
already
man.
TP and two all the accounts. I
Mm-hmm.
tricked three accounts, so two RTP like I'm done, and this is gonna the big account is gonna run.
The runner.
Let's see. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, and
Word.
I took gold shorts too. Um, one account
Yeah,
made a couple $100, the other one made like 1,000.
yeah.
Oh, y'all on it
I'm
Like
early, man.
and I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go short right now too.
let's go.
Yeah, so but
On
I'm
it
on the.
early.
I had to go down to the micros though. That joint was crazy, bro. That whipsaw crazy.
Yeah, it's scary.
Oh, so you had to go back down to the micros.
No, I'm just playing. Yeah, because I'm already in profit. I already got
Yeah.
some profit, so I just want to catch a little bit of extra move.
Yeah,
I think
play
it's
Nah.
smart. Play smart. Yeah.
Word,
How about
word,
you?
word.
How was your day, say? You trade no, right? You're not
I
trading
did.
right now.
So
Oh,
I
you
took
did.
one trade, bro. So for everybody that is not aware, I'm in a boot camp, so I'm really not trying to like trade unless it's just me swinging options or something. So I ain't really. But if I see like a setup there, I'm gonna just go ahead and take it.
Hmm.
So today, I noticed that we was trending, and it's crazy because, bro, let me tell you about the trade I took. I almost got fucked up actually
Okay.
because I saw the setup, so I was like, all right, I was like, soon as I think I took it around like 12. Put it this way, I took the trade right before Trump tweeted. So literally, as soon as I hit the button, like I went to TP like in 2 seconds because the market just started dumping. So whatever candle that was on the ES, let me go. Let me go to the ES real quick. I'll share my screen. I will
Yeah.
because I was like, boy, I got lucky.
Yeesh.
Let me go to the 1 hour. So let me go over here. So it was. Yeah, it was here. It was here. It was here. So um I saw, we was going, making hourly lower highs and lower lows. And so when we got to 12, I was like,
Yeah.
all right, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait for the retrace and then I'm gonna get in. So literally 12 o'clock open up. I seen it push up a little bit. I was like, all right, I'm gonna take that. I got in. And then if I go to the 15-minute, because that's where I was looking at it. I was looking at it on the 15-minute. Yeah, so literally, this is where I got in. I got in here, and then that shit said whoosh, and then I just hurried but took out. Good thing I took profit because we ended up wicking back up, but like literally made like 402 minutes or whatever. So then I was like, all right, I'm done. And then I had to pay attention to class and shit like that. So I was like, I'll take it though. I went ahead and, but I will say I'm tight because I did want to take this end of the day retrace, and we was talking about it happening during the class, and I was like, man, I was like, he called that to the T. I almost took it, but I was like, nah, I ain't supposed to be trading. Let me be a good student. But I saw the setup though. I damn sure was ready to take that shit. I was like, damn. So, yeah, that was pretty much it. And then as far as the market goes, man, we just, some stocks are showing relative strength. We got some stuff, all of the frothy names, bruh, they're getting cooked, bruh. They are getting cooked. Like all the like the quantum names. Woo, they taking a shellacking.
Yeah, beat up, bro.
Bro, what?
Damn.
Yeah, all of them names is they taking a whooping. Um, and so yeah, Tesla did report today. So Larry asked, "What does Tesla do?" It's down. They selling it down. It's down 3.7%. Um, and but it didn't break the 414 level. So I thought if it was really going to sell down, it's not a dramatic sell down compared to like what the options market was pricing in. Options market was pricing in a 7% move. So I think you're going to get a lot of IV crush on that one. Uh, and then I guess Netflix gave a forewarning. Elon couldn't turn it around on the call. So with Netflix, man, I think most of what happened, well, I can't say most of, but the biggest thing on Netflix was that they actually missed, regardless of their why. I mean, they try to attribute it to some stuff with Brazil, but they actually missed. Like this was their first miss in a good minute.
Ooh,
I think as far as Tesla go, I don't think anybody was expecting Tesla numbers to be good. And since he, God dang, and since
Go
he
go
didn't
going
really,
go going crazy, bro.
yeah, I know. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, bro. I'm up 6 bands.
That volatility in gold is crazy.
This trade is up
Um,
6K, bro.
woo, yeah,
Yeah.
it pay, especially when you're on the minis. So that's pretty much it. That's what the market did. Dre, I'll put your screen back up. So I did say, oh shit, I took him off the screen. I didn't mean to do that. So yeah, man. So we still dealing with this government shutdown. We're still dealing with back and forth with China. Earnings season is on and popping. I think the bar is set pretty high. So right now, a lot of companies are taking a hit. But I think at the same time, companies taking a hit, they are smoking out anybody playing weeklies as well as giving a pullback. So, if we're gonna get this end of the year rally, these could be attractive entry points. What else did I say is out there? Oh, CPI is in 2 days. So we got a CPI report in 2 days. So we'll see what that's going to do. Other than that, man, market is still here. All right. So this is the biggest thing that the point I wanted to make today is that we are in extreme fear. It's a lot. I think the AI sentiment is 46% bearish. We'll get an update on that tomorrow. I think the breadth indicators are pretty low, but I say all that to say that with all this bearishness going on in the market, like let's keep it a buck, bro. We're only 50 points off from off time high. Like we only 50 points off of all-time high. All-time high is 67, 64. We closed today at basically 6,700. So my bad, not 50 points. We are 65 points. That shit is crazy to me. You would have thought we was 10% correction or something. We literally are 64 points away from all-time high, and everybody's bearish. Well, majority of people are bearish. It's kind of crazy. So I'm still looking for 50%. I think the VIX today, it got a spike, but it ended up getting pushed back down. So we did have VIX expiration today. So you had the VIX go up to 21, and then it got squashed back down to 18. So yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Kind of crazy. Yeah. I mean, what is it? What you mean? I know it's a setup. What kind of setup? So, all right. 7:30, we getting close. Look, at 8 o'clock, y'all, I gotta be on it because I'm trying to catch this Well, I probably missed the gold trade. That shit already done went. So I don't know if 8 o'clock gonna give another opportunity, but
Mm-hmm.
I just might short the indexes because they look like they want to come down.
Although my daughter's going in. Give me a few.
Hmm. Larry said it's a bull trap. I mean, bruh, it's been a bullish market all year, so I really don't understand how it's a bull trap. Like, buy the dip been working all year. Uh, Again, I mean, it's possible. It is possible. We shall see. We shall see. Strike King said they saying CPI supposed to be lower, so they might be making room. Yeah, I will see. All I'm gonna say is this, or the next thing I'll say is October is living up to its name. It's been very volatile, but the market hasn't gone nowhere. Like I wouldn't even be surprised if this monthly candle end up being a doji. And then what happened? We get to November, and that's when we're past all of the bad seasonality and da 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 da. And if the market starts to make a move up in November, man, that's gonna be one hell of a short squeeze. Or yeah, I think that's gonna be one hell of a short squeeze. Because I could tell you, just like everybody keeps saying it's a bull trap, that means matter of fact, let me go look. I guarantee you they probably stacking up puts. Let me go
They
see what this
probably
put.
are.
Huh?
They probably are. Yeah,
I'm
probably
like,
are.
let me go see what they. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm like, let me go see what this put the call ratio looking like, bro. I bet you them joints is probably stacked.
Mm.
Let me change it over here real quick. And y'all keep me on top of before we get to 8 o'clock because I'm definitely trying to catch a trade, bro.
Hell yeah.
uh
Let me see. Go. My new go is the
all right,
goal, man.
so looking at put the calls. Here we at the end of the month, we still look at this. We still have for the October 31st, 1.7 million puts to 368,000 calls. So a 4-to-1 ratio.
Dang.
You go to the November, you got a damn near a 5-to-1 ratio. You got 2 million puts to 400,000 calls. December is basically almost a 3-to-1 ratio with 2 million puts to 720,000 calls. And then the end of the year or January 26th is 873 to 545. And then it kind of just evens out. So yeah, so still very heavy. And then like some of these like off week joints, 8-to-1, 8-to-1. Yeah. So it's Larry. I don't see it, bro. You saying how's it call side heavy? I'm showing you the legit open interest to put open interest. It's heavier puts.
For what month? Yeah, no.
I know. I'm like, that's why I'm
Yeah,
asking him. Where does he see call side heavy? I don't see
yeah.
it. The data's right here. It's more puts than calls.
Next year might be he's talking about for March.
I
That's far.
mean, all right, let's go look. You go to March 26th, 684,000 puts, 300,000 calls. That's 2-to-1.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
It's still more puts than calls.
Yeah, no.
So I don't know. You got to show me
So
where
Jay,
you got
Jay,
to
what
show me,
up,
man.
Jay? I know
What's
the
good,
boys in the
Jay?
building. What's
The
up?
Gamma King is in the building.
Hell yeah.
Strike King said SPX puts are stacked. Yes, they are definitely. Could be
Could
selling.
be
I
some.
mean, listen, I don't whether they selling or buying. bro, it's still more puts than calls. That's all I can take from this data. I don't know if people buying them, if they selling them. All I know is the market has more puts than calls.
Mhm.
And I gotta assume that with bearishness and max fear, people buying protection.
You better
Oh
be.
yeah.
So not all of that is selling, huh?
Mhm.
Not all
I'm
of
saying
that's
hell
selling.
yeah. Yeah.
So it's a lot of
Honestly.
sentiment that we tap 69.80, fall off the table like we did at 4,800. Yeah, you talking about like in 2022. I mean, shout out to Jay. He in the building. He said it's a call wall at 7,000 for December.
Mm.
You know,
Right.
you know, you know, you know, you know. All right.
Hmm.
Gold done bounce back up.
Yeah. Go is doing the
That wiki stuff, bruh.
testing that 1800 open now.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Now, my thing is, I mean, at this point,
Hey Dre, let me ask you
I
something
don't.
real quick. While you breaking that down, let me just ask you a question. On this joint, did you remove the boxes? You just only keep the MFE and the MAE lines? You got rid of all
Yeah,
the other stuff? You know what I'm talking about though, right?
yes, but this is a bigger scale. Like this is
Correct.
for
I know what you when I was doing some back testing. I see what you mean by y'all got the 12-hour versus the 3-hour one. It's a difference.
yeah,
Like I gotta change the start time
right,
to move to move it.
Yeah.
exactly.
You just
Yeah,
got it for the whole entire range.
that's that's how we trade. So it makes sense for me, and you're gonna get it right away because you trade like me. Like I come
Yeah.
from you, so you already know.
I see,
So
but no, I noticed that today when I was going doing some back tests, and I was like, because he helped me this morning when he was like started at 9. And I was like, well, shit, why didn't it go to the afternoon? And then I was like, I got to change it till 12. So then I changed it and I saw it
Yeah.
shift over. And then I realized what y'all was saying about having it on a 12-hour span. I'm like, oh, these niggas got it from, they don't got to change the time. It's the whole
Nah,
thing.
it just did.
yeah,
Y'all got the cheat code. I see what y'all doing.
Yeah, I got it on my. Yeah, we both got it on ours right now.
Yeah.
yeah. So you get that next week, no? See when you get that? I think next week you get the indicator.
Yeah,
I
I think
believe.
so. I don't know if we
Yeah,
get the 12. I don't know if we get the 12-hour one next week, but we already got the 3-hour joint.
but yeah, probably next week.
Yeah. That's the main thing I've been having to do, bro. I be having to fix the thing, get rid of certain boxes and lines. It be busy, yo. I be like, I don't I only need certain stuff, bro.
Right. Yeah, let's see what we do. 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm holding.
I think. Yeah.
I'm holding my short.
Yeah. So we came up. We didn't even make it to 6 p.m. That green light is 6 p.m. But let's go. Let's go see this Bitcoin, man.
Yeah, Bitcoin looks sad, bro.
This shit is terrible.
Where is that?
Right here. 107. About to close the day.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Um. Yeah, crypto not looking all right, man. This shit something wrong. MQ. Ooh, MQ about to.
And Q
Yeah,
looking
the
good.
indices about to go down, brother. I'm in this
Yeah, yeah.
I'm in this
You
ES
short?
short. Yeah, I told you I was like, I think I'm gonna just short the indices.
Yeah.
Join up
Yeah, Larry.
175.
Yo, what up, Mike? Um, shit. So yeah, today was beautiful, guys. Like today we came up. Last night we were here. I took this long before we closed the show. I didn't take it all the way. I took profit. Then London made the higher day. Once you see that, this is a good higher day
Yeah,
that
I seen that. I
support
seen
this
that as
move.
well, Strat King. My bad. Go ahead,
Mhm.
Dre.
Oh well, somebody said.
No, he was saying that it's an article out there that basically saying Bitcoin going to dip below 100K, but it won't last long, and then it'll bounce from there.
Mm, okay. So then London came, made the high, drop, and then New York switch over 12 hour, new 12 hour. We made this fake ass move, and what? And then 9:30, this yellow candle is 9:30. We couldn't get. This is my 12 hour. If I put it here,
Yo, we
right here,
are.
we, we drop it.
We Yeah, we dipping, bruh. When I dip, you
But-
dip. We dip.
so I couldn't get no setup here because CCN came pushed up, got to the London OU line right there, and couldn't get past that 12 hour mid, and that was a signature for
We
this.
going forward.
I didn't take it all the way here. I took profit at the lower day zone that I had point 0.4.
Yeah, I took profit at the end of the 930 box.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this was my move. I let all that go. But I mean, I'm happy. I'm not complaining. I'm just play it safe because you never know.
Yeah.
Never know with this Trumpy could be. So and yeah, that was the day. Now higher time frame. Let me see. Also, like we say all the time, is a retest Wednesday. This is what we mean by the retest Wednesday. When Wednesday come and we test Tuesday and Monday
Mhm.
range, and we got it. Now I
We
know he
definitely
want me
did.
to, huh?
What's that? We definitely did. Retest Wednesday never. It. I ain't gonna say it never. It don't never fail, but
During the month, you get it like at least 70% of the time.
bro, we retest Wednesday. There's a reason why I started saying retest Wednesday, bro, because that shit
It
don't
happens.
fail often, bro.
Nah, it happens a lot. Like it
It
does.
do. It do.
Now I know you want me to say reverse Thursday, but I'm not there,
No,
bro.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think we get it. Tesla would have had to do well, um, and whatnot.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I don't. I mean, I think it could sell down a little bit more early Thursday, and then maybe the second half of the day, we'll see what happens. Um,
Yeah,
what, and then go from there.
yeah. Like we came up and just to test Sunday range. If we get out and we get, you know what I mean? Like, but we gotta get above P told me previous day mid, and we open kind of tested here, but we not quite and drop.
Mm,
So maybe same scenario like yesterday. We go make the BS low, go false. London make it the higher day and drop. Could be in the case. We got earnings in the morning. That is important or not?
uh, I mean, I don't think anybody, not like no big dogs or nothing like
No. Yeah,
not
no.
like that.
Okay.
Not.
You said we got Honeywell.
Let me
Only
give me
one.
a second. I'll take a look.
This
Yeah, that's
morning
it.
was okay. Oh,
Yeah,
oil.
only Honeywell is the one that is yes.
Yeah. RTY got smoked today, guys. So bad.
Yes, he
It's not even funny.
did.
RTY just tank.
That's
He,
because a lot of the frothy stocks and them small cap stocks, they all in RTY.
so they selling that for sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So Tesla did not say the market. Peace out.
But because they said 400 million. They got they counted for $400 million in tariffs due to the tariffs.
Who did?
Tesla.
That's a,
Hmm.
so
So
so when they
check
said
this
that
out.
number, once they said that number on the call, that shit said,
Also, they saw this is the quarter they saw the most, but they didn't make no money because they had to do the program for rebate money and shit to buy
Mhm.
Teslas. So I'm like, oh, okay. So they made no money. They lost $37 billion, some shit like that.
Mm.
Yeah. And then the call, I don't know what happened. The call. So what Quadree just said what happened.
Yeah. Of course, he trying to study robotics and stuff like that, but nobody trying to hear that.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I was listening to some guy on Bloomberg say, "Bro, I own Tesla because I bought it at $1.50, but
He
until
bought it.
Tesla,
How did he get it at that price?
Well, he must have been the public offering some.
yeah, yeah, it was one of those." He said, "But I would never sell my Tesla, but I will not put new money in because I don't know,
He
I don't
won't put new
know."
money in.
Nah, he said that first of all, he don't see autonomous driving happening. Like that
Bro,
shit
it's
don't
all
work.
but so I gotta say this, Dre. I don't mean to cut you off, but when people say stuff like that, I don't understand how you don't see it's already happening. It's in Texas. He's it's already happening. Like that shit don't be making sense when guys like that say that.
I guess he
That's
meant that
kind of
like
stuff.
a massive, like massive. But yeah, it's happening, bro. I don't know what he mean. I really don't know. Yeah, it's weird, bro. People hate on Tesla just to hate on Elon, bro. You know that. Like,
Oh
come
yeah,
on.
100%. 100%. It's more has to deal with it more so has to deal with Elon than the actual company.
Word. What Tesla do?
Right, that's what I'm saying. Strat King, he said it. He said 8 to 10 more areas before end of the year where they're gonna be out there going doing the robo taxis. So yeah, we'll see. Uh Larry said from 8 to low, how many points is that? Whatever that is, the next drop will be the same. Can you measure that out, Dre?
Wait, hold on. From A again?
He said from 8 a.m. to the low, how many points is that? Like whatever that leg is.
Let me see. Okay. To what low? Like this low?
I guess. Yeah, he said to the low. Yeah. How many points is that?
That's 420 points.
Hmm.
Dang, 420.
So then, yeah, he thinks we're gonna get another.
Another leg like that?
Mm-hmm.
Today. Ooh, I like it, man. Larry, you in my team. Let me see, Larry. I like Larry, man. Larry, my guy, bro. Larry, let's go, bro.
Oh man, y'all funny, bro. You
420.
damn sellers.
Sell the rip, bro.
You dumb sellers.
So let's say we start over here tomorrow, 420. Yeah, Larry, I like it. And let's check it out. Look, now if I put fancy my fancy indicators, I bet you NQMFE is here, Larry. Ah, Larry, I like it. Look, Larry, if we
Is
come
it
here
there?
to, yeah, well, I mean, it's 2% down from
Hold
today,
on, let me see.
right?
Let me look at your screen. I'm seeing which
The MFE.
oh, max.
Like that.
Okay, I see it now. I see it.
So
I
if
see
we
it.
do the
Is it
max
close?
MFE,
How far was it off?
right now it's 2% down, 2.2%.
How many
So
points though? Is it close to the
oh,
points?
it's four.
Is it?
No,
It's
no,
more than
it's a
it's
little
more
more.
than 400 points. It got to be more than
Yeah,
400.
560 points. That's a lot.
Okay. I mean, not bad. I mean, the measurement you did was how many points for what?
420, right here.
So what? We off extra 140.
Yeah.
Man, shit. If you get enough of a spook, you can get that extra 140.
I mean, but the crazy part is that data is already telling you it's possible.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, like I don't doubt it. The same thing for the upside. Like the upside is possible to come here. Like the data already priced that in.
Mm.
How we get there, and if we get the
Oh,
right conditions,
I could tell you how we get there. Trump tweet.
Trump,
That's the only thing that worked, bro. I can't. That's the only thing that worked. Trump
yeah,
tweet, bro.
and that
He
would
gonna
take
tweet.
that Friday low.
He gonna Trump. He gonna tweet some ish about China again, or China gonna respond.
Yep.
Right.
Either or.
Oh, we got
And
7 minutes
they
on the
gonna
clock,
ratchet
yo.
it up. Yeah.
Now with the government shutdown, what that mean?
Oh, so look, Dre. So look, it's nothing like good practice
Hmm.
with live price. So I'm using this for RTY.
Bad. Good. Hell yeah. Nice.
Using it for RTY.
Yeah, the 15 minutes. Yep.
And I
Yeah, beautiful, bro.
definitely think we can get down here.
Yeah.
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 So we're gonna see. I'm really just watching it to see if we can get down here. But so far, it's all to a good start. So we made a move up. We couldn't get quite in here,
Right.
and then now we're coming down. So I just got to remember what he was saying about the 8 out of 10, 5 out of 10. I gotta go back and watch the video, but
Yeah. Yeah.
it's
We
making
got
sense
5 minutes
though.
to
Because now let
five
me ask
minutes
you
to
this,
8
Dre. Do
o'clock.
you see these the times here?
Yeah.
All right,
Don't
this
ask me because I don't.
2007. Oh,
Uh-huh.
you don't know about the time?
No.
That's when the wick's supposed
Okay.
to be. That's what the time you expect distribution to be done.
Okay,
Okay.
so that means then by around this time we could be getting inside of this box, right? Quadree.
That's what. By that time, the move should be already in.
Like we
Hmm.
so all right, so we should be in these blue boxes by 10:07.
Yes, it don't have to necessarily get to the blue box, but that move, that distribution move, like you see, it's already moving down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's happening.
Yeah.
So you
Okay.
already
I see what
happening. That moves is
Yeah,
already happening.
it's happening now. Okay.
So it's saying
Okay.
Right.
by what's that 2007? What's that say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
saying
So
by
by
2007 it'll
2007,
be done.
usually at the average of the whatever days you gotta look back on, that's usually when that distribution move is done, and usually
Yeah.
either probably you wick or you just range.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. I got it. Okay. Bet. I'm just watching. Track King. I'm not trading it. I'm just me watching price, bro. He says they at the front of the class, head of the game. Look, man. I'm just, like I said, I'm coming into it with an open mind, so I'm just soaking it up and then making sure I understand the high points. And I'm like, all right, bet I want to see this in action.
Word.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's telling you, it's telling you, Dad, nigga. That's why I was like, yo. Once I understood, that's why I had Mickey like break that shit down again for me. And when he was saying like, that's why I was asking him. I was like, yo, how is he getting these lines? And then when he told me how to set it up, so yes, bro, like that shit is crucial because it's telling you that by like this is by when it start and when it should be done. Like that's crucial.
Yo, no lie, that indicator is gangster, bro.
You say it's what?
Gangster.
Yeah. So like if we looking at yours, right? But see yours a little bit different because you got the 12-hour joint.
Yeah, my shit different. Yeah. And the way I use it is a lot different too.
Okay, so we got oh, there you go too. It's breaking down. Come on, bro.
We got 3 minutes for the o'clock.
Ooh.
Yeah, we losing Sunday already, bro. We about to be 2% down before the day start. God damn.
Dre, you funny dog.
Yeah, bro. This shit about to look ugly. Yeah, strap. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So once you know, now you know the day classification. Now you know this, and then you already know the 12-hour. I don't gotta tell you, but you're gonna find out how we use it. Then it's magic, bro. After that is you versus you every day. I don't like this setup. I'm not taking it. Oh, I like this. Let's go.
Y'all see my text?
What? I damn. You lit. Yes,
Just
sir.
a little tester. I just took profit.
Nice. That's a good move, bro. Quadree, my boys say live, bro.
I'm catching on, man. I'm catching on, bro. Like you said, so far, so for me, like I put in with my team on Tuesday. What I'm gonna do is, damn, we about to get to that box, y'all, too. Let me take this. Let me show them. Cause y'all gotta see this shit is crazy, bro. We damn near in the blue box. But
so look, big game. That blue target, that first, that's 100%.
yes.
Yeah.
The dark shirt, the shader, the darker blue.
That one. Yeah,
and
that's
then
100%.
this one is what, like 80 or 60? The lighter blue.
Oh, you got the other one.
No, you got the other one. That's 80. The top of the blue is 80.
Yeah, that's 80. Top of the blue is 80. You don't got the 100% there.
Yeah.
So you got 80.
Yeah.
That's 80. You got
this
80.
80. Yeah, this
that's
80.
60.
It's 60.
That's and then the bottom is 50.
50, yeah.
If it break all the way through.
Where?
Yeah, but so like he was breaking down to y'all daylight. So that dark, the light blue, the top of the light, well, the darker the blue, that top portion, 8 out of the 10 days.
You're gonna hit that.
Yep.
Yeah, you're gonna
then
hit
the middle part is 6 out of the 10 days, and then the end of that 5 out of the 10. Yeah. Everything else is
all right. See, y'all just helped me. That's what I was trying to figure out with the 8 out. I was like, yo, what?
Yeah.
I was like, bruh. And we are in it.
8 o'clock, guys. Mike, were you here? Mike here? Mike.
Yeah, Mike in the comments.
Let's go, Mike.
All right. Let me oh my god, I should have took this trade.
Is shit dropping?
Bro, I took a paper ES trade. That shit up 600.
Damn, man.
You know, ES don't never move it like that this time of the day. Yeah. It don't never move like that.
Oh, look at that, bro. Look at that. Hey, look, we about to hit the blue box.
Yeah.
Damn.
Gold driver.
Like, bro. There you go. Blue box. There you go.
Waiting for gold to hit my blue box.
Yeah, gold's in there right now.
I'm about to take TP.
Let's
Actually, let
go,
me just
baby.
go ahead and do like this. So that
It's
way, if it
fun
get in
now.
there, it
Now it's
is because now I
fun.
know what the hell y'all talking about.
Now
It-
it's fun, boy. Now my guy fun. Let's get it. Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Ooh, look at that shit. $700. It's 8 o'clock at night. I'd take that all day.
Right?
I ain't gonna lie. I had to get my own account for nighttime, bro.
Oh, you got a different one?
I got this one. I'm up like this a combine one.
I ain't
I'm up
gonna
like
front. I did take advantage of that top step deal,
Me too.
Quadree. That 40% off. I went ahead and grabbed another one. I'll do that one later, but and come on. Oh, it almost hit my TP. And there we go. TP.
Let's go, baby. Good shit.
Just so everybody know, don't that was a paper trade. I'm getting my live reps.
Look at
So
that. Perfect. Two
If Mickey or
MFE.
Austin, if Mickey or Austin watching, I'm not live trading. That was a paper trade, bro.
Yeah.
I'm just,
Let's
I'm
go.
just,
Let's
I'm
go,
just,
Larry.
I'm just back testing, live testing.
Oh, Gucci. Mike, you hit target. Let's go, baby. Everybody eating. I like that. That's what I
My
now. So
like.
it's
God.
crazy that I used to have this indicator. So I used it's based off the stat map, which is kind of the same. This is
Mhm.
a little bit more high level. So this is like when I see this, I'm like, yeah, all right, now I use this.
Mm-hmm.
So let me ask y'all this: what's the Okay, all right. This is just the higher time frame joint, right?
Yeah.
But why would I need this one if this one does the same thing and it gives me the extra stuff?
Well, you gotta think about it like so that the MFE is like one of the latest indicators. So
Yeah.
before that wasn't there. You only had that one,
Yeah.
The
but you
the
get
high the HTF LTF.
that was like that was one of the first joints.
Okay.
But you still
And
get
now
access to it.
this one is one of the newer ones, is what you're saying.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you know they
Because I'm
break.
looking.
Basically,
Go ahead,
this
my
one
bad.
is
Go ahead.
basically it's gonna tell you where the wick is gonna form. That wick on the 50-minute candle or three
Oh my
hours. Let's
god.
how many hours you got there? From 1800 to 11 o'clock.
Yeah, 3 hours.
Three. Yeah, I'm doing three.
So at the finish of the third hour, you're gonna see where that wick is formed. So that's what this indicator is gonna tell you. Whatever that wick,
Mm.
if the MAE or
Yeah, look.
MFE,
Mhm.
that's that wick.
So Zay, switch to my screen real quick. So this what it look like on the 12-hour joint.
Yeah.
So
Damn, we got a lot more room to go.
yeah,
See, y'all's is way more like
Clean.
cleaner.
I like clean, bro. So I,
Yeah, I
cause
do
I,
too.
I
That's why I turn a lot of some of that stuff off, and I just keep
yeah.
certain stuff on. But
Mhm.
I mean, but that move is happening though. We got there. We got to the distribution before 10:07 on the ES. Let me see what RTY looks like. Damn, RTY hit. Yep, it would have hit my profit target had I just left it
my
down.
move about to get stopped.
Mhm.
My stop is at the open.
On one go.
Yeah, look.
Mm. Nah, you good. That shit will drop. That shit will not cross that 6 p.m.
Oh
Mm.
yeah, I'm hold on. Yeah,
Now
you
that
see,
was a good little exercise right there for me.
No, that's dope. The more you see this stuff, the better it is too.
It is. It is. So no, like you were saying, Drake. Just to recap. So the main thing, like today when I was writing my notes, is being able to tie back everything we learned and kind of like what Mickey was saying is like how everything ties into one another. So starting with the daily classification, then it goes to the '05 box to the hourlies. I gotta be honest. I'm gonna have to tell him, bro. That '05 box, I can't get jiggy with that. I know it, but I had to.
Yeah, but you got to think about it. He talking to people who like really never traded before.
You right. You
So,
right.
like, for example, like me,
So
I mean, for me, I already had like my trading setup.
yeah.
I just need
Yeah.
the statistics part.
So you okay?
Right.
So like, but my point so is the 05, and it's still I still like it though because I get it. Like
Mhm.
when the first 5 go, make sure you
Yeah.
look for the previous 50, previous high low, the basis points. You know what I'm saying? Then from there, the hourly boxes lead into the 3-hour boxes with your straight line, your apex, and all of that. Eventually, you just can reverse engineering, but like that's how you knew it was a DNP, DWP, or range one. So like
Right.
I'm trying to make sure I understand. And then when we got the MFA joint today, I was like, bro, that shit. I ain't for at first I was lost. I was like, yo, what? I was like, I'm gonna go watch some videos. I got to go. I was like, bro, but the lunch joint, and then the end of the day, it helped clear some shit up. So I was like, okay, bet.
Good shit, Mike killing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dope, bro. And
So
but
it's coming.
and
It's coming
then
along. It's
then
coming
you're gonna
along.
get that joint that you're gonna understand the Sunday, the Tuesday, the 50%, the
Yeah.
NFP, and
Yeah.
everything ties together. So that's when
Mhm.
shit gets
Gotcha.
funny. Shit, it gets better.
Striking said, Zay, that was this morning or this afternoon with the blue box. This morning. All day, basically. I mean, the blue box was like it was. He did the class this morning, then they went over it during lunch, and then he kind of talked a bit about it a little bit in the re-engineering joint. But like he said, don't worry, bro. He like they gonna really go in depth on it again. And that's another thing I can appreciate is they definitely like
Yeah,
hammer that shit home, bro.
like
Like,
Yo, watch.
y'all just three
When
days.
y'all get in the group,
Yeah,
y'all gonna get in like the Tuesday joint you got on your thing, Zay. Y'all gonna be in there talking to you, but Strat King's in your team, right?
yeah, he on my
So
team.
he gonna get on. He gonna start. Yo, help me. I don't get it. So we gonna go like, what you need?
Yeah,
Talk
right,
to me.
right.
7 o'clock at night, 2 in the morning, whatever time, bro. Somebody's gonna be there, bro,
Am I
helping you
there?
out.
Yeah.
That's how it goes. That's what we there, bro.
but
Like,
like, and then like he said, he Mickey said today, like he mentioned the same stuff like 100 times a day.
He does.
So it's like you really have to be like slow not to get it by the end of it. Like he
like
gonna
he
say
gets mad,
So, but you
but
know
he
what
like to
though?
teach.
every day.
But you
He
know
says
what's
stuff.
funny? You know what concept really clicked for me today? Like the one was the very first one he talked about the first day was the fix versus risk per trade.
Yeah. Oh
Like
yeah.
he kept saying it, but I really wasn't catching on. I was like, I mean, I get what he's saying, but I don't get it. But then today, I don't know, he just said it and then it finally clicked. Like, I get it. Like, fixed is you get the same amount of contracts, and ultimately your equity curve is unpredictable because you're placing stops based on structure versus
Wow.
risk per trade mean
Yeah.
nigga, I'm only gonna lose $200, and
That's
the
it.
amount of contracts I can get is depends on my entry. If I get a good
Right.
entry, I can get more contracts. If I can get a bad entry, I get less. But either way, I'm only gonna lose the same amount of money. So therefore, my equity curve is much more predictable. I can lose a certain amount of trades and not blow my account. Versus when you do that fixed shit, man, one trade, your shit gone.
Facts. Yeah.
But it took today. It finally like clicked for me today, and I was like,
And
and
that's where
he been saying that since day one.
that's
Yeah.
where you gotta like you could take for example like this trade here, right? Well, I
Hold on, let me put
already
your
made
screen.
money on this
Yeah,
trade,
I'm on your screen.
so I already made money on gold anyway, right? So I'm in the positive, right?
Mm-hmm.
So either way though, I have 7 micros on, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that's within my budget, right? But
Yeah.
then again, if we have a wider, like let's say my stop was up here, I
Mm-hmm.
probably have 3 contracts
Right.
Yes.
because the
Yeah.
dollar,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if this, well, I'm already in profit. So this is risk right here is like free money. If I take an L, I'm still positive. So,
Mhm.
Right.
but like let's say your
Right.
budget
Yeah.
500.
And see, that's what I'm saying. Now I'm getting it, bro. You know what I mean? Now I see, I get what they were saying. And yeah. And Strat King, he was like, damn, I really be that going. I was there, but I woke up at 5:30. Yeah, bro. I would say I don't know, man. You know, I'm already wake up at 5, but I think the biggest thing for me is, bro, is I ain't gonna lie, yo. From that 5:30, 6:30, I don't have none of my charts up. I'm not looking at the market. I'm really just focusing on what he's saying, his screen,
Yeah,
and I'm not looking at nothing. And
that's good.
then as soon as he's done, I'd like write down my notes, like, okay, this is what I got. And then I'll like, all right, let me go look at the market or whatever. I take a second, let it digest, you know what I'm saying, or whatever. Um, but yeah, man. But at the same time, my nigga, my G, you on my team. So
Yeah,
if you don't know something, just hit me in the chat. I got you. We could, like Trey
Yeah,
said,
he sent me a
you got
Discord
team
too.
leaders, all that.
He sent me a Discord too. Like you could just hit me on Discord and knock it about. Like
Yeah. So
you got resources, you got Carl
and
yeah,
too. You got
yeah, right. Carl say the dump pouch is the shit. I do like that too, yo. The dump pouch is I
it's
rocks with
lit.
that drink. I do like that
Yeah,
drink. I
I
don't know
do
if
too.
I don't know if I'm gonna particularly use it that much, but I think for somebody that's an entry level trader, that shit is
Yeah,
fire.
that's when it's needed.
You
Like,
you're gonna use it, but like not in it. Like you're gonna know mentally, like,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
all right,
mentally, yup, that yeah,
yeah,
or
yeah,
you could blow enough accounts to start using it.
right.
exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's the other option. Yeah, you go sit there. That's where like you could do it if you want, man. But you eventually gotta like, and that's why I had to get off the 50Ks, bro. Because
This shit don't work.
yeah, now I'm on 150K accounts.
Uh-huh.
I can now trade the minis with the same risk
Yeah,
because I got
and
a way bigger stop, way bigger margin. You
the
know,
main thing, like he gonna say this to you, 14 days to ruin. Once you pass the account, you got 14 days. In that 14 days, you gotta maximize your profit to get out of that risk. Once you out of it, bro, your equity curve goes ooh, ooh. If you smart, if you are the degen, then you shit gonna lose. But if you wanna keep your profit and be about your trading and be professional, once you get out that 14 days of ruin,
Hmm.
your equity curve goes up.
What? So
Then
you saying like you
you
saying you
pass the
pass the
combine.
account you funded 14 days.
And
You
then
saying
during that
after you
14
pass
day
14
after that,
days, what?
to ruin the account, either you're gonna make it or break it, type of thing. If you
I see what
trade
you're saying. Okay.
the way you're supposed to trade, you should be out of that 14 days to ruin, and then you're gonna scale. Like in April, shout out to Carr.
Okay.
I still appreciate that guy too, because I was there, bro. In April, I was going crazy, and Carr sat me down. He said, "No, nigga, this is what you're gonna do." The problem with you is that now it's more volatility, so your losses look bigger because you're losing more money. Like you're losing big, it's big
yeah,
swing. So you have your stop loss, you swing in 30 points. So your loss is gonna look crazy.
Hmm.
yeah. So
So
like for example, yeah, like right now, like on the NQ, a move I normally take now is like 50, 60 points. So now I got to trade less contracts
mhm,
because the move is bigger.
yeah,
Same setup, but move is way bigger.
yeah. That's
Hold on,
when
say
when
that again.
volatilities, yeah,
So because we now, we in a volatile environment, I can see my same setup, but that candle move is way bigger. Like my stop loss will be bigger.
yeah,
So I have to
Mm,
now have to limit my contracts because I could catch the same move because we moving so fast compared to when we have a tighter range.
right,
okay, I see what you're saying.
Mhm. So for example, like the gold joint, bro, you go up in there, before gold when it was running a couple months ago, like one GC mini, I mean, it's not really doing much damage because you only got like a 10 to 15 point window.
Right.
Now you seeing these candles, it's like yesterday, the candle was $3,000.
Yeah. One
So now,
candle.
yeah,
One
so
candle
now,
too.
now to put on your wrist, now you might have to go to the micros because that's where that rips the don't pouch risk come into play. Like, and then I think he showed y'all, what was more expensive, ES versus NQ.
Hmm.
Of course, the ES is cheaper, but the NQ you could do the more. You'll have less contracts, but more bang for your buck.
Mm-hmm. 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 No, that's facts.
But yeah, like y'all on day 3, and even you strat, like by the end of the month, y'all gonna be like, y'all gonna be gurus of this anyway.
Yeah. He said, I appreciate it. I think this week just growing pains my mind. I usually be up. Oh yeah. Oh, you a late night owl. That's what that is. I see what that is. You a late night owl. You use it to figure out how to maximize your trade for entry. Absolutely. That's facts.
Because it was crazy. You used to get that 14 day thing. So technically, let's say you got the 50K,
Mm-hmm.
and you got, I got a MacBook there. So let's say so you really technically your risk would be 2,000 divided by the 14. So most people not going to trade it that way though, right? So that means you risking about $140 per day.
Per day.
Yeah.
So basically, if you take $140 loss, you better stop.
Yeah, so that gives you, like, let's be real. You're not going to get. If you get every day wrong, something really wrong with you. You at least going to get 5. Like, you at least can hit 5 trades out of 10. Maybe
Right.
out of 12 or something, like you say, like. So eventually, and that's where once you start managing that,
the discipline come into play.
Yeah.
Like you got to be disciplined, follow the system. Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. It's dope.
But I'll say this. I'll say this.
The
one thing I can appreciate is it really is adaptable to how a person trade. Like you can, if you learn it, you could be like, if you like, you could really, because once you start to learn the different days, how they go, the little, like some of the nuances, at least that I know now, you could just like, if you prefer to be a long trader, you can figure out, okay, even if it's a range day, where should I be looking to go long and what should my target be? If you a short trader, you could be like, okay, I know this is where I'm gonna go short and what your target should be. So like you can adapt it to whatever your style is.
Yeah. Oh, Diani said it right there.
He said 14 days risk of ruin is simple. When you first start an account, if Val funded the first 14 days, you can still breach your account, even following your trades to a T after 14 days. Yeah, if you don't catch a bad streak, you'll have built your buffer and it gets difficult to lose your account as long as you are following proper risk size. Yeah. Got it.
It's my guy right there. So another pack member.
Yes, sir. So where we at, guys? How we looking tonight, man? We hit 8 o'clock. I know y'all smoked it. y'all
I'm still short, bro.
Gold. Huh? You still short?
Yeah. My big account is up
on gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got a runner. And I started a new position too. You see, so like,
I didn't want to do this, but I'm gonna do it for the people in the back. Let me see.
And then Quadree, I see your trade popping now, brother.
Yeah.
You on micro golds. Oh.
Yeah, because now I'm not trying. This is extra money, bro. So I'm not trying to dump out.
You can put my screen.
I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to wild out. But even though my target should give me $1,000 if it hit.
You see my screen?
1 second. Yeah, go ahead. We can see it now.
You see it right here. This is my. Let me see.
This is gold.
It's a black, yeah. So it's I short right here. This week, 129.
Yeah, 6,300. Look at it.
I'm up $6,440.
Oh, you still holding 2 contracts?
Yeah, my stop loss is here.
Okay.
If we stop me loss, I'm locking in 2,000.
Okay.
That's why I told Quadree, don't worry, you're not gonna get stopped on this bullshit. Because it happened to me like now, but now 11 o'clock, locking that profit. Because
yeah. No, that makes sense.
But
damn.
Also, Yeah.
Also, like this trade. So I got 7 micros. This trade gonna give me at least 2 bands too if it hit. So
Yeah.
I need a band. Oh shit!
Oh
Oh,
my god.
I'm up 1300.
I'm
did
up
y'all see
10K.
that?
My junk froze. What happened,
Yeah.
I'm up 10K.
What just happened?
bro? What the fuck?
10K. I'm up 10K. 8.
Oh, I hit TP already, B. I got the running. Oh shit!
Yo, hold up. We gotta go back to
Oh, I'm
Quadree
about to.
Street real quick.
I'm about to. I already didn't. I got 2
Did
runners
it hit
now.
hold up? Yeah, Quadree, you got it up. So, oh, it took
Yeah,
your 5. You have.
yeah,
I
to
see
my
you took.
5. Now I got the runner down here. So if I do this, I might
So
mess
this
around.
really, are you gonna move now? Let me ask you this, Quadree. Would you move your stop? I mean, it's still a risk-free trade. Like, it's still a risk-free trade for you.
Bro, look how much I'm up right now. Hold on. I'm at 18.
Yeah,
Man.
you up 1,800.
Yeah, I should do that.
I'm
I
up
mean, I
10
don't.
bands.
This extra. This free money, bro. I mean, it's free bread. So I might mess around and pass this combine tonight. Let's see if it stop me up.
Yeah.
Yeesh.
God,
Bro, what happened?
It happened so fast that Tradeovate was paused.
That was yesterday. Same thing we did yesterday. Last night. Same
But
move.
listen, look at the time. We might wick and go back to flat though.
No, yeah, I know. That's why I'm telling you. Take profit. I'm about to take profit.
So Dre, at this point, so Dre, would you move your stop then? Like we got
No,
your
I'm
screen.
about
I
to take.
mean,
I'm about
Let's
to
take profit together.
oh no, let me ask you this,
Just
Dre.
wait.
Would you shave one and then like keep the other one? Because you got 2 contracts.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them all. I'm about to take them all.
You taking both off?
Yeah, because it might go up again. And
Yo,
do
the thing about last night, that joint happened, bro.
It happened dumb fast.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So I'm not locking in before the 8:30 comes.
Let's see what it do, baby.
I'm gonna lock in 85. 85. Yeah. $85. 85.
8,500.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, sir, but it ain't even 9 o'clock. But it can be $8,000.
I'm out with you, bro.
Yeah, I'm out. That's it, bro. That's my big account.
Hey, yo, Mike said, bro, every time I go to click buy, it drops before I get filled. Fuck.
But nah, but remember, that
happened
happened last night, bro. Same thing, and we having a crazy ass wick, and we wicking right now. I do not like this. We wicking right now. Now look, go back to my screen, Zay.
Or give me 1 second. Go ahead, you got it.
Look at we hit the 80%.
Mm-hmm.
And then you look at RTY.
It's bouncing back.
Yeah, same thing.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, you got to lock in, bro.
And of course, look, ES did it perfectly. You see that? So now,
ES bouncing too.
it bounced right off the blue. So now,
Yeah.
like, that's where you do got to be cautious enough to take profit because you don't want to. Even though we wake up, we might go back down again.
Yeah, you want to lock in some profit for sure.
You got once you trade like with Dre bread, boy. 85
right.
8,590 ain't bad, bro.
Right. What is you out, bro? What?
Nah, I just want to tell the people, like, I never traded gold. And the power of bad testing. Once you know your business plan and why you look in the chart, you could trade any market. You just got to do bad tests, figure out. And I've been doing that since last Thursday, right, Quadree?
Mm-hmm.
That's when I started like testing. Like 2 days I did paper trade, but man, paper trade not for me, man. I need the money. So, this is my first week fully trading gold, and it's been moving. Like I'm gonna take advantage. So, same process. I'm risking 5 points. So if I would have lost the trade, I'm risking $900. If I would have lost, I would have lost
And
$900.
my risk was $400.
But you saw my entry. My entry was at that wick because
Yeah.
Man,
of
your
why?
entry was beautiful, bruh.
Yeah, like I bad test. Like I need, like I told Mike gets in the chat. Like I need to get in there. Like the first 15 minutes is gonna give you the high or low
Yes,
of the day.
absolutely,
You
absolutely,
look
bro.
for that wick, and that's what I've been doing. I missed it yesterday because I had my daughters. I was walking home. I missed it, which might as well. Tuesday stopped me out. I only made $500, and today I hit it for sure. Grand slam. I don't need to trade tomorrow. If I'm being honest, I made like yeah, I had it, bro. It's been good night.
And you lying, you gonna take a little trade tomorrow.
You know he is. He gonna trade that 6 a.m. He got a different account. He just gonna trade in.
Yeah.
He
He
got
was
like
trading
15.
it. Listen,
He got
listen,
like
listen.
1,500
Shout out
accounts.
to Dre for this. Dre told me, yo, he's like, once you get you account and for this for the AM nighttime 6 a.m. Now that's what I do. So now this account ran up, and I got 2 more accounts to run up tomorrow. If they take a little L, I'm still up.
So like, I don't know if you're like, I used to be a copy trader, but then I learned from random like why Austin, but like why you do that? Just diversify them, diversify your risk. And I'm
Yes,
like,
that's very
I
true.
started listening to them. I'm like, yo, that makes sense. Why I'm here like trying to be a Rasta on Twitter, put in profit. Oh, I made $20,000 in 20 accounts. Like, man, that shit look cool for the people that care about that. You're trying to make money at the end of the day. I'm here to try to feed my daughters to get my home right. And I said, if I'm a trade at night, I'm gonna get an account for the nighttime. If I like the 6 a.m., I'm gonna get an account for the 6 a.m. trade. And then I'm gonna get one for the market open. And that's it.
And that's
If
it.
I lose one, but I have two positive, then I have cash flow. So I see my trading like a business. I treat my trading like a business.
Yo, so
And
like
yeah.
this is the trade just now for me I took here. If I go look at last night, this is the trade I took last night. My morning trade,
Yeah.
I took this trade this morning.
What was that? IQ? Yeah. Shit clean. Yeah.
Look. Yeah, once you showed me this, bro.
Yeah.
See what that is?
Yeah. I see you. But it happened. The thing is, it happened at a key spot. It happened at 12 mid. The previous 12-hour mid. You had this setup.
You couldn't get past the mid at all, bro. I said, oh, yo, we
So
can't.
you already know we're going lower.
Already looking, bro. I was just waiting.
Like
And I know everybody, and this is why everybody was long Tuesday. Everybody was long, bro. Majority of everybody was long.
Yeah.
That's what you
You're
just
talking about the 12-hour mid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me go. I'm about to throw a fib on. I gotta see what y'all talking about.
So look, hold on.
I damn sure didn't measure that joint.
He can't teach class.
Because the 12-hour mid was, well, first of all, last night's 12-hour candle was a freaking doji.
Yeah.
So look, I'm about to pull it up.
See,
all right, look, Zay.
Oh, okay. We got the wick.
So look, Zay. So
you talking about at the open?
Oh, I gotta go back in time now. Hold on.
Yeah.
See it right here.
Hold on, you got it. All right, you got it on the 5 minute. I gotta go down to the 5 minute.
No, I'll put on the 15. It's all good.
Yeah, put it. There you go.
It's taking a minute to load. See? And
all right, hold on 1 second. All right, so at 9:45, I got okay. So my candles look similar. All right, go ahead. I'm following.
So look, we couldn't break above it. We could, like at open, we couldn't break it.
But we when you say break it, do you? Because I'm saying it
close above.
Close above it. Close above it.
All right,
Like
that's
we
what
need to
I'm
close
saying. When y'all be like break
because
it, I'm
here
like
we need to
we
close
wouldn't.
above it. We need to
Close above it, yeah.
We need to
And
close above it to go long,
mhm.
but we
Right,
didn't. We
we
right.
instead
Now,
rejected.
we
yeah.
wicked off of it. This is a wick here,
Then,
yeah, and then we fell.
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
All right. So you more or less saying we couldn't close above the 50%, because that's why I was confused. I'm like, y'all. That's why I'm like, you
yeah,
say we couldn't break it. I'm like, well, we did. We wicked
yeah.
it.
Yeah,
So I
but that's
mean,
why
we
it's
just didn't close. Huh?
Exactly.
but you know, like that 12, that previous 12 mid is very key. That's
Oh
why
Yeah,
yeah.
but don't rush him. Let him get there. Let
yeah,
him get there. It's good.
yeah.
It's good.
Oh
That's
yeah.
like once you see that, bro, any of the 12, slow, mid, high.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. But we been using that though. That before I
No, I
was
know.
using
Yeah, that's what I'm
it. I'm
telling.
like,
Yeah, but
yeah,
I
we been
want you
using
to find it once they teaching you. Like, you're gonna put the dots together. You're like, okay, I see. I see. Because that thing, that level got probabilities throughout the
Yeah,
day.
high probabilities.
the previous 12 mid.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's a high
let me
probability
see.
target every single day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I try to tell the people what's
Who said what?
Jay is talking about. I don't know. They talking in the chat. We lost.
Oh yeah, he's just saying 12 hour. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, we've been using 12 hour for a long time.
But
Mike said 50% of what? So Mike, you gotta put the futures market on a 12-hour time frame and then draw a fib on the 1800 candle.
to 6 a.m. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, I'll show you. Um, so like if we was you, because Mike, I know Mike, you like me, bro. You still on the ES kind of SPX kind of thing, but like if so, this would have been the 12-hour candle here on Tuesday, right?
Hmm.
And so I got the wick at the high, or I got the fib at the high and the low. So the 50% was 67.76. So once we rejected that level,
Good night.
then it's like good night.
Yeah.
Good night. And like I said, I like to use the fib, so you can see that shit came all it went beyond all the fib extensions to the downside, and then that's where I start to like say, okay, where's volume gaps, because that could be a viable target,
Yeah.
and shit like that, just to add it into your game.
The only thing is like, train that. I don't know how you catch that with XPX, like because out with the strikes and everything.
So let me show you. Let me show you, because
Mhm.
here's how you could be. You just have to use the US 500, bro, because it's the same thing where I could draw a fib on this, and basically it would have been your entry would have been 67.39, basically 67.40. Once you've seen
Right.
rejection at that level, you want to
We're looking.
target. Actually, let me turn this around. Right. So
Mhm.
once you see rejection at 67.40, you could have been like, all right, I'm gonna target 67.20, 67.12, 6700. And we was talking about all of that already though. You know what I mean? And then
Mhm.
Mike uses the RO indicator and all of that. So that just gives him extra confluence and stuff like that. But I mean, at the end of the
Yeah.
day, that's why I try to tell people in the community, like, yo, if you really want to get ahead on SPX, just use US 500, because it gives you the overnight levels.
Facts.
So
I would have to trade SPY. They're drawing too volatile.
Jay said I got a converter, bro. You don't even need a that. You don't even need a converter, bro. I just showed you how to do it, Mike. US 500 is damn near dollar for dollar with SPX, bro. Mize is in the building.
School baby. That's my guy. That's definitely my guy. Yes, sir. I'm cheating on NQ,
Hey,
Max.
Hey, Maz, you right, yo. He said, "Sup, Robbers? You just missed it. Go, Dre just showed us how he made 8,500 on a gold trade." Oh man, he said, go see Locked Out Boys." Okay, let me go take a look. He
Go
probably
see
just
who?
posted. He said, "Go see the locker." I know he talking about in the pack. He
Oh
probably
yeah,
he,
he
he
killed
probably caught the same trade.
today. Now he probably made 14 bands. That guy is a problem.
Let me see.
Let me see what you got, man.
Yeah, he killed it. Yeah, ooh, we got about the same. I got about the same amount as he did.
What you got,
14, 17.
man?
At 12:30, is that the one?
No, 8:33 p.m. He just
Oh, he
posted.
just posted. Okay. Oh, yep, there you go.
Yeah, I knew it. Let's go, baby. Yeah,
His end of the day results crazy.
yeah, that man. Yeah, man. Problem. It's a gangster. Good shit, bro.
Good money.
It's another one that helped me out. I was going through it. He talked. Talk.
Through the boot camp.
Yeah, I was. We and him was talking like a month and a half ago. How I was getting on till a lot. So he told me, bro, it's some days just not gonna work, bro. Just take the loss. Just take the loss. Just come back next day and let it rock. Do the same thing. Don't worry about losing the trade. Don't try to be perfect. That's what he told me. Don't try to be perfect. Yeah, because you know I was perfect September. I didn't lose no trade, and that
Yeah, you was
hurts.
on a crazy streak, boy.
Yeah. Then Max sat me down, told me straight up, like, just don't worry about the trade, bro. Who cares? You see me losing trades. Exactly what he told me.
What's crazy is my stats show me I'm a better Asia trader than regular day trader.
For real. It's it's calm. That's why. Nah, bro. I'm a lot of people go, man. I learn from a lot of people, bro. That's me, bro. I don't care, bro. Straight up. This is, bro. This is unreal, man. Where the things you do, how far you get when you work hard. Yeah, I tell you that I work hard for this shit, man.
Where's the one chat?
Well, boy, you know how sleep is nice this joint be, bro.
Shit, man. Getting frustrated. Yo, bro, that's a freaking fair value, man.
You know how
That
many
shit don't
times
work.
I, you know how many times I said I was gonna quit futures, bro, and go right back to doing it.
Yeah, man. Every day. Yeah. I appreciate you, bro. You too, man. You killing it out there. Shit. Quadree's in it too. Now say about to kill it,
Mm-hmm.
you know? I mean, you're already killing on his stuff, but future wise, you're about to kill it.
Correct. Future wise, that's where I need.
Yeah.
That's where I got the most improvement to do.
Yeah.
Shit, my goal.
Or
Man, don't let me start, y'all. Listen, it's gonna happen when I start making my salary times two.
let's go. That's the plan.
Boy,
That's the plan.
Ma said prior day low YM boys. Okay. Oh shit, I got my screen up all the time. My bad.
Yeah, he
Dre, what you looking at, Dre? What you on? What you
this is
watching?
goal. That's the goal. Let me see
You
NQ.
still looking at gold? I was gonna say,
I mean,
you ain't even. Where's
I'm
your
done.
boo at? I know
Now we
you
inside
done. I'm
Sunday.
like, but damn. Huh?
Inside Sunday. We inside Sunday right now.
yeah, I guess we can look at some.
Just waiting.
All right, let me see.
Yeah, man. Like Sunday range. We got that previous day mid 2571. Yeah. Yeah, the night might die out now. Yeah. Oh, Bitcoin green. Ha. Why? Why am?
You funny.
I am. Yes. Look, everybody here MFE, bro. This is crazy.
Yo,
Wow.
look, Dre, look.
Oh yeah, bro. It was
I'm
popping.
saying, look like you can see my screen. Never mind.
Wait,
Oh my
what you
bad.
want
I'll
to
pull it
see?
up. Hold up. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'm just looking at the weekly joint.
Go ahead. There you go.
Ooh, this is against it right here.
Yeah, right there.
What's
This is against.
what thing you looking at? Or what chart is
This the
that?
This
weekly.
is
This the
this
weekly.
is same thing, but the weekly time
Nah, I'm
frame.
saying what's the ticker? Let me pull it up. Oh, he looking at
This
Oh,
NQ. Okay,
NQ.
I got
thank
it.
you. Like so, I'll put yeah. So right now we below the open at the Sunday's opening.
Week. Yeah.
Um, let's look at ES.
So real quick, we got a question. I say, any insight on CPI? Yes or not? Friday? Yeah, it is Friday.
We still have
Maz.
it on the calendar
No, it's
for
coming out. We definitely gonna get it.
is right here.
Um,
Yeah. What you think you
but
say about that?
I mean, I think it's just gonna be.
Bullshit.
Listen, I think here's the thing, right? We always say this: any excuse necessary. So if the
Hmm.
market is gonna want to drop, I don't think the number is gonna matter. The market's gonna just they'll produce whatever report they need to make the market drop. My thing is, I don't think this NF or this CPI report changes what the Fed is going to do.
Hmm.
So I really don't care. Like the
Right.
Fed's still going to cut. If we going to drop, the market's going to drop anyway. CPI just will be the excuse. You know what I mean?
Right.
Um, if the market wants to recover or bounce, CPI is going to be the excuse.
That's true.
So I
Thank
I really don't care one way or the other.
you. Go.
Yeah.
Dang, go about weeks ago.
Go.
Yeah.
Nah. And that
You
joint
know,
on
because
go is
I honestly think earnings is what's more important anyway.
Hmm.
Um, with where we are now, you know what I mean. It's more about earnings, and then are we gonna get this rate cut next week? And so maybe that's one of the things that can finally get things turned around or whatever. You get, I think Dre, maybe we get a nice flush tomorrow, and
Hmm.
then that sets us up for like a nice bounce with CPI because CPI. So somebody says CPI might come in lower. Let's say CPI does come in lower. Well, if we get a
Hmm.
flush tomorrow, CPI come in lower. At least we got that piece of data to say, okay, now I think people will feel a lot better about the Fed cutting in October, and then maybe that's the start of a bounce. Then the following week, as far as earning goes, I think that's when we start to see better results. Because the following week we'll have like Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, stuff like that. Um, and I think those companies will report a lot better. Not saying earnings ain't been good. They actually have been. I mean, you got a couple of sore spots, Netflix, whatever the case may be. But for the most part, I mean, earnings season is going pretty well. Companies are reporting pretty well.
Yeah.
Um, so I think this is just a week where the casino ain't open. They not playing. They not paying the gamblers and the DJs playing earning plays, bro.
Hmm. Yeah.
So Jay said Monday showing 6,800.
Ooh,
Long as we stay above 6,600, I can see it, Jay.
6,600. That's your
Yeah.
level.
On SPX. I mean, I'm just saying as long as SPX can stay above 6,600, I think I can see 6,800.
Hmm.
So we'll see. When we drop below the 12 mid, how would you know it wasn't going to push back above? That's for you, Dre.
Two things. One, market have four time frame. It's gonna give you a good higher day or lower day time. Is 1800 London, which is I use 2:30 to 3:30. Market open, market close. If we go to NQ, put on my chart. Was it?
I got you. Uh, you got it.
Uh, so NQ yesterday we had this higher day with a bad low day, right? So this low day is not a high statistical low, and this high was. That's a one key that I track. Now we opened 6 a.m. open below that mid, that 12-hour mid. So when we came above, we came here at 8 there, 8 9:45. We reject. We tried one, twice. We formed a swing high. That's another thing that I track, the swing high. Well, that's the swing high. When we came up, I was looking for a rejection here. Stop loss goes above that high. If that's your invalidation candle, you don't want that to go up because it's gonna make a new higher day. Since it's market open 9:30, so that's why I knew to get short, looking for a new higher day, which is a New York low day. It could be market open or market close. That's why. Like most of the days you get a higher day. Sometimes you don't. Like that is not perfect. But over 20 years of data is those times are most likely to happen. 1800 London market open or market close. Oh, no problem. Yep. Yes, sir. Hmm. Yes, they right here.
Hmm?
So we froze now. We just here.
Yeah, we done. I think that's it. We done. We done seen most. Of it. We
You
done
saw the
seen.
action.
I mean, yeah,
You saw the
we
action.
definitely caught.
Everybody agreeing. It's a good night.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Um, like I said, for everybody that's kind of watching the show, uh, I'm currently in the boot camp, so I'm not doing too much trading. More so, just paper trading, working on learning these new concepts. However, I did take a paper trade on the ES. That was nice. But Dre and Quadree definitely caught some live trades. You could have, so you probably actually I did call out saying I was going short the equity market, so y'all could have caught that short
Man,
because that joint definitely paid out. Even though I paper traded, I was like, yo, I'm just going short the equity market. And
right.
then Dre and Quadree shorted gold, so definitely could have made money either way tonight.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
And 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 we even walked you through. Let me pull this up real quick. We literally
Ye-
talked about this example right here before it got down to the target on RTY. So let me show my screen real quick, Dre. I'll pass it back to you.
Yes,
But
sir.
we did. we did this one. I showed you right here. I was like, we was talking about it. It came right into the blue box.
Right.
Here's the time. Look, here's the time. It got to the distribution finished before 10:07. And it bounced
Yeah,
up.
baby.
We
Let's
literally
go.
showed. We literally like
Magic.
it was like juice before all that played
But
out.
look, you see the distribution time, how it ended and how you waked up.
Mhm.
How it waked up, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So shit,
Yes,
people.
Mass.
I wouldn't. Yeah, huh?
And Mass is asking you if you in the book, and yeah, bro, he's in there. His name is Say. So
Say
yeah,
seven,
he's
yeah.
in two.
It's literally my username is Zay Moss.
Yeah, he's on Tuesday with us. Like, so a little bit of about Zay, man. So he's my mentor. So everything, like like he's the reason I started my journey. Pretty much, like he told me what a candle means. Like, what everything I know is through Zay. Now I went ahead and got off track on the future side because I wanted. I got so much bad karma from SPX because I got
Yes.
involved
he,
with this.
he was scarred from SPX.
Yeah, I got involved with the wrong crowd. Call out service, book, discourse, and all of that. Like, yo, get along here, get along there. So I lose a lot of money. And then I went my route, but I was still like I'm still in his community. I still swing trade, so still there. But I learned, found ICT. Learn ICT and got me through to the boot camp now. So so yeah. So yeah, I put on Tuesday, of course. I gotta get. So first it was Quadree. Well, a lot later about Quadree. Quadree, we man the runners,
Yep.
and he also ICT. We talk every day. Saturday, yeah, we got really close. Then one day he just said, "Bro, I'm about to start trading stacks." I'm like, "Stacks? What are you talking about?" Like, yeah, stack. We we ICT are just gonna do stacks, like probability. I'm like, oh, for real? Like, yeah, okay. So I let him do his thing, blah blah blah, yada yada. Then at that time, I was watching Tap Step, and that's what Mickey went on one day. He started talking about the same thing Quadri was telling me. I'm like, yo, bro, you know this dude? He goes, nah. I'm like, for real? Nah, I don't know him. I'm like, okay, but he sound legit, bro. I'm about to start listening to him.
Yep.
Bro.
Oh, you found
Year
Mickey
later,
on Top Step?
yeah. So
Oh
at that
wow.
point, I was watching a lot of Taps. Then one day he just go in, and bro, as soon as he's got in, he sounds smart as hell. I'm like, yo, this guy different. He goes, nah, I
Why
just
he ain't
trade
never been
power.
back on there?
He- I let him tell you that. Yeah,
Oh,
he
okay.
not with that. He
All right.
not
I'm
with
gonna ask
that.
him.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ask him. Yeah, yeah.
I'll ask him. I'll ask him. I'll ask him tomorrow.
But
My
he
bad, but go
he
ahead, bro.
he he didn't want to like. He couldn't be public before. That's it. That's all I'm gonna
Hmm.
say. Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, Miles, I knew. So I knew.
He
So it's
knows. Maz know my people, bro. Maz know
yeah,
M7. So tell him he know. He
yeah,
come.
I was
I
in. So what's crazy is I was. It's funny thing. I was in Austin group like back in 2022 when he traded the midnight snap, and then that's when Mickey was underneath it, a different name,
right.
and then so then I started doing at the ICT. Then I saw how they. Well, I seen how. Well, I was Austin group way before all this stuff took place, and then I joined M7, so I was using data. But you already know M7. You already know about that. Um, so then Dre was in here, so me and Dre traded futures, and
Mhm.
then he told me about they were together. I'm like, that's they together. like Mickey and Austin. So
Yeah.
and then I seen Dre was getting amazing results. So I'm like, let me leave M7 real quick. Yeah. So yeah, that's how. That's just
Bro,
like
you were
a long
first
story.
of all, you were paying hella money for no reason.
Yeah, hell yeah, hella money.
So I'm like, yo, bro, what do you mean? What you paying? I'm like, nah, nigga. This
Yeah,
shit
that's
not
what I'm
like
saying. But I was like, yo. And then the data he was showing me, I'm like, the data was way. It's the same data, but it's structured way better.
different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, Mickey, they go, bro, for sure.
facts.
Mickey is the nigga, bro. Yeah.
Yo.
Well,
I'm about to send it to you. Hold up. This is you about to be weak.
Yeah, man.
Matter of fact,
He had me for like 4 months, bro, and I wasn't getting back the returns I was supposed to be getting back. Not saying he was promising me returns, but the data was by the time the moves were being made, bro, it'd be like 10:30, 11 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did a little bit on 7 when he was free on YouTube. But
the bottom line is, bro, like everybody gotta spend and lose some money before they start making money.
That's the
That
truth.
you gotta pay that tuition.
You have to pay that traded price. You do. You have to go through it. Oh God.
go read the tweet though. You gotta like read the tweet. Because I thought it was fake. I don't know if it's fake. It might. I don't know if it's fake.
Nah, he's real. No,
that's
this
real.
guy's in the book.
No. The guy who posted it is real. I know.
Yeah.
But I'm saying if the book is
yeah,
if the book is
it is.
real.
Oh God, it's over. Oh man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Let's see.
All right, let's see. We about to wrap this up early. Jay said price range overnight 66.80 to 67.20. Well, bro, we oh wow. You said 66.80? I think we hit that. Oh wow. Yo, check this out. Okay. Before we do bounce, I gotta show y'all this then. All right, let me make this dark quick. Good stuff. I appreciate that, Jay. Cause check this out.
What that means?
US 500. Huh?
Oh so no, I'm listening.
Yeah, so US 500, the low 66.81. And we did not get up to that 67.20 yet. So I could say overnight, because we kind of weakened, we might be able to push up to 67.20 by the morning.
Well, he means there's liquidity when like those levels, son.
Like, so he uses like gamma and some different stuff. So I'm not sure how he derives that, but I would assume.
Okay.
But but I just when he give that, I just look at US 500 and I mean,
there's a guy
it's damn near point for point.
It's a guy I used to follow that use like gamma too, and he got these overnight levels like the same way.
You said I can see you the chart. Damn. Okay, yeah, shoot me the chart. No, I'll send it to Dre. Or
send it to me too, because I'm I was in a gamma joint for a minute.
Oh yeah. I send it to both of y'all. Yeah.
I started using me and Car be tracking that. What's that shit called? Book map.
Bro. Yeah, order map. Yeah, I see now you going there too.
That shit was on point today, my nigga.
You said what was that?
Book map.
Book map. Yeah.
Oh yeah, book map.
Bro.
So yeah, well, we already pushing back up too.
That day, like at 6 in the morning, after the show, after the boot camp
Mm-hmm.
class, Quar and my boy, the honest, we trade together. So we bullshit and talking, you know, because it's not. We gotta wait for the right move. So I started tracking that book man at that time, and yesterday there were 100 lakhs at 25, 100,
100. Yep.
but we didn't touch it. So I'm like, bro, when we checked today, it were more contracts.
Down there. Yep.
So I'm like,
Mm.
okay, so this is the move, bro. By 9 o'clock, that shit was flashing 400 contracts, bro. I'm like, oh shit, bro. By 12, car sent me a DM, bro. They got more down 500. I'm like, oh shit. Let me see what number was it. So when you see what it, yeah, it was 20 24 920s. Uh, yeah, 1 o'clock, 1:30. So you just get flashing down. So when you see shit like that, like they ripping the market up. Premium sellers. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. What a night.
Damn right, what a night.
He's going now again.
You said what?
He's going again. Go.
Gold?
Drop. Yeah.
Yeah, sure enough is.
Damn. I mean, but I'm done, bro. At that point, that's it, bro. That's shit. I don't want to see.
Now you should. I'm gonna tell you like this, Joe. The funny thing about gold though is you even get like a bigger move between like 10 to 2 in London. You just
Yeah.
caught the beginning. You just caught the beginning of the body candle. Like, bro,
Yeah.
it's so much more that gold can go down, dog. But I
Yeah.
mean, it's all
Random
good.
told me the same thing. He goes, the real move happened at 11 p.m. That's when you want to be in
Yes,
gold. I'm like,
yes,
for real? Yeah, he said he been tracking that shit.
dog. What?
I'm like, okay. But
Absolutely.
I'm not up by 11. I'm like, shit.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you already good, but
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, bet. Me too.
Yeah. You already know, Car. Oh, man.
Oh,
It was fun, man. Trading is fun, bro.
I see.
Especially when you got a system and you already know, like,
Mm.
Yeah. That's the only thing that the book can give you a business plan. Once you got that, you know yourself. You know what triggers you, when not to trade, when to take a trade. You like, nah, I don't like this day. I'm gonna take a chill. I'm gonna toss grass. I'm not trading today. Fish ranch one day, not for me. You leave the shop, bro. Don't stay there looking at candles. 10 minutes back and forth up and down. Yo, the guy. Bro, I'm Dominican. You know I get caught quick. I don't play that shit here. Mm-mm. I know you up there, bro. But I'm planning on going there too. Gotta go busy over there.
Yes, it's in DC. It's hoodie season now.
Yeah, but he's up there. Like, it's up. So, it's cold as hell over there. Yeah, man, it'd be funny as hell, man. Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Um, bet fellas, before we bounce, man, y'all got anything?
Hand on the swivel. Uh,
Yeah, expect a lot of
hand on this.
volatility,
Yeah,
big moves, manage your risk.
yeah, man.
Yeah,
I don't
facts.
know. I don't know how the CPI is gonna be. I don't care either. I just trade price. But
Facts.
just be careful whenever Trump tweet, because they be coming out of nowhere with their bullshit. So don't be caught in no BS holding the trade. No, none of that. Protect yourself. That's what I'm trying to say. Hmm.
Facts. Yeah, man. October is living up to its name. Most volatile month.
Mm.
Um, yeah, man. I think most people, y'all know my conditions as far as the general market go and just swing trading, man. I got my eyes on the VIX and I got my eyes on the monthly 50. And I'm gonna hold true to that until the month of October is over. It is earnings season. Listen, all right, here's a better one.
Mm.
Don't gamble on earnings because the
Mm.
casino is not open. They are not paying. Even if you
Mm.
think you're going short, like they clapping both sides. They are straight doing volatility crushes. They IV crushing both
Mm.
sides, man. So, you know,
There
the
you go.
the DGN run up happened with all them smaller names. So yeah, man, don't do it to yourself. Let the
Yeah,
earnings come out, let the volatility crush happen, and then go get you a nice long-term position in quality companies, yo. That's the last in quality companies. I know Beyond Meat and Krispy Kreme donut been running, but I'm sorry, them businesses is trash. Well, Krispy Kreme ain't trash. I love me some Krispy Kreme donuts, so I can't say that. But
Hey.
be careful with these trash companies because if you look at Beyond Chart, they was up 100% today, and I think when that shit closed, it closed. Let me go look real quick.
yo, bro, I told you, you saw me in chat. Said the minute the market opened, I'm out of that thing.
Mm.
Facts. You're right, and I'm glad you did because that shit was up over 100% today, and it finished the day down 1%.
Who be yummy?
Yeah,
Yes, look at this candle, bro. Look at this.
Yeah. Woo. Good shit, Quadree.
It
bro, I
made a
got out of
high
the
of
top of the top.
765. It made a high of 765 and gave it actually went lower. It hit a low of 260 today. So if
Yo,
you really want to talk about it, from yesterday's close, it ran all the way up 112%, and then it reversed
Mm-hmm.
65% in a day.
Nasty.
mm-hmm.
Dude, why do you want to be a part of that?
Nah, man.
You want to
Bro,
lose your hard-earned money on some BS like that? Don't do it, bro.
yeah. Some
Don't
people was
do it.
like, yo, I'm up over. Like people on Twitter was like, I put 17,000 in this. I'm up over 300K. You better cash
I
out.
bet you they ain't cash out though. Like I said, I bet you they ain't cash out, especially because it was halted.
Yep.
And when that happens, Robinhood and them be acting funny, and they do not
Mm.
let you sell them options. They don't let
Peace
you
out.
cash out like that, and them options lose value hella fast.
Yep.
Mm. Facts.
So yeah, man, be
Mm.
careful. And
Yeah.
Larry, he said them donuts trash. Laugh they shit, not the ones around my way. Them donuts they be cranking. Shit.
Shit.
Especially when they turn the hot and ready light on. That's when I go.
Dang.
I don't know. I don't go when that light ain't on. Fuck that. I need them shits fresh. But
Okay.
with that being said, y'all, we definitely gonna call it a night. We'll be back next Tuesday. I gotta get my ass to bed because I gotta be up at 5 a.m.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
and yeah, man. So hopefully y'all got some good gems this week, and we'll catch y'all up on Tuesday. After we'll talk about CPI, how that stuff go, how the weekend, and then we'll be in the last week of October, and then we're moving on to November.
Yes.
So y'all have a good evening. Strat King, I see you tomorrow morning, my brother. Dre and
Facts.
Quadree, I see y'all tomorrow morning as well.
See
Carl,
you, car.
all the pack members, I see y'all
See ya.
tomorrow morning.
Hell
We out.
yeah.
I bet.
Peace.